Instead of buying bread, I tried out this recipe and the outcome was lovely. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you all how I made a mini bread without an oven. The full ingredients will be in the description box, so please do ensure you check it out. I started by adding about 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Note that I've sieved it already. I then added about half teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Guys, please little salt so you don't end up with a very salty bread. I then mixed all the dry ingredients together. After mixing, I added half cup of milk and about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then mixed everything completely well. I further knead the dough for about 5 minutes to achieve a very smooth dough, but just in case your dough is sticky, you can sprinkle little flour on it. After kneading, I transferred the dough to a work surface where I rolled it with a kitchen rolling pin. Guys, just in case you are wondering why is this dough this way, I didn't add any egg, yeast nor sugar. But if you want to add sugar, feel free to add just a little sugar because this bread is a very healthy bread of which anyone can consume. Okay, after rolling, I cut the bread into circles using a cup cover. You can actually use any object so you could achieve this perfect shape. Guys, if you're watching up to this extent and you're new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button below so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share and leave a comment in the comment section on what you feel about this recipe. Alright, after cutting, I lifted up the excess just this way. After which I knead, rolled before cutting. I was able to cut the dough into 15 circles. Next, I added the dough to a non-stick pan. Guys, emphasis on non-stick pan so you don't end up with a burnt bread. After adding the dough to the pan, I then transferred it to my stove top, then covered and allowed to bake for 5 minutes on very low heat. After 5 minutes, I opened up the pan, flipped the bread and I noticed that it's baked. You will know when it starts to brown up. After flipping, I then covered the pan and allowed to bake further for another 5 minutes. After about 10 minutes in total, our bread is perfectly baked. Guys, look at this. I then removed it, then repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Guys, look at this lovely looking bread. You can actually serve it with tea or a fresh glass of juice. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed and feel free to recreate this recipe for your family. See you all next time with another amazing recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.